In this episode of Gear Matters, we're talking about layering. More specifically, the 4 types of layers that should be in your riding kit. The simplest way to adapt what you wear to changing weather conditions is by layering. It's a bit like managing tire pressure on your motorcycle. The pros decrease or increase pressure based on the surface and type of riding. In this case, you add or remove layers based on weather and riding conditions. Instead of one bulky and ineffective all-season jacket, you build comfort using modular layers. The base layer sits closest to your skin. In hot summer conditions, a moisture-wicking base layer with an antibacterial coating is a game changer. Where a regular cotton tee would hold puddles of sweat and gets quite smelly, a good base layer will keep you cooler and fresh for longer. Remember to use them for your upper and lower body. If you're riding in colder weather, swap these out for a fleece-based layer that provides warmth close to your body. Mid layers are ideal in conditions where it's cold when you start or end the day, but gets warmer in between. A good mid layer should provide warmth but not be too thick, as it needs to fit comfortably under your riding jacket. These are usually far more effective and comfortable than the thin winter lining that comes bundled in with some riding. Our riding jacket and riding pants are the protective layer, delivering the abrasion and impact protection that hugely improves safety on a motorcycle. Make sure to choose riding gear that is well matched to the type of riding that you do most of the time. And finally, an outer waterproof jacket and pant can keep the rain out on wet days and also cut out wind chill on cold and windy days. Outer shells like these are far more effective than an inner waterproof liner because it also keeps all the layers under it more dry. Waterproof jackets and pants that are purpose-built for motorcycling are usually easier to wear and remove on the go, without the need for you to remove your helmet, boots or other riding gear, which makes it much quicker to use when the weather turns. If you layer right, you'll be comfortable no matter where you ride, whether it's in Chennai's humidity or Spiti's wintry chill. To find out more about the right types of layers to use, you can explore the links in the description of this video. If you have any specific questions about layering for motorcycle trips, drop them in the comments below and we'll try to answer them as best as we can. Thanks for watching.